Welcome to an exciting journey through the fascinating world of the potato. Yes, you heard that right. The humble spud, often overlooked on our dinner plates, holds a history as rich and diverse as a perfectly baked potato loaded with every topping imaginable. Our adventure begins high in the Peruvian highlands, where this little tuber first sprouted over 7,000 years ago. Picture ancient civilizations savoring these starchy treasures, all while laying the groundwork for world-changing inventions. Think the wheel, or perhaps perfecting the art of guacamole. Fast forward a few centuries, and the potato makes its bold entrance into Europe, greeted initially with doubt and suspicion. Can you imagine? Some even thought it was poisonous. But once people took the plunge and tasted its earthy goodness, it was game over. The potato quickly transformed into a global staple, fueling entire populations and even shaping economies in ways no one could have predicted. Who would have guessed that such a simple vegetable could play such a monumental role in history? From the devastating Irish potato famine to the golden, crispy French fries we just can't resist, the potato has woven itself into the very fabric of cultures across the globe. So, grab your favorite potato dish, settle in, and let's peel back the layers of this incredible tuber's journey through time. Origins in the Peruvian highlands. Let's take a trip back in time to the Peruvian highlands, where the potato first began its journey to global stardom. Around 7,000 years ago, indigenous peoples like the Incas were busy domesticating this remarkable tuber. They recognized its potential not just as food, but as a vital part of their culture and economy. Imagine a world where potatoes were revered as gifts from the earth. No wonder they were often featured in rituals and celebrations. Nutritionally, the potato was a powerhouse. Packed with carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, it provided the energy needed for the hard work of farming and building empires. The versatility of potatoes was a game changer. They could be boiled, roasted, or dried into chuño, a freeze-dried version that could last for years. Talk about a culinary Swiss Army knife. Key figures in this early history include the Incas, who cultivated hundreds of potato varieties, each with its own unique flavor and texture. They understood the importance of biodiversity, ensuring that their crops could withstand the changing climate. So, the next time you enjoy a crispy French fry or a creamy mashed potato, remember that it all started in the highlands of Peru, where this incredible vegetable was first embraced and celebrated. The spread across the globe. The potato's journey from the Peruvian highlands to dinner tables around the world is a tale of exploration, trade, and a bit of culinary skepticism. It all began in the late 15th century when Spanish explorers like Francisco Pizarro stumbled upon this starchy treasure during their conquests in South America. These adventurous souls recognized the potato's potential and brought it back to Europe, where it would soon embark on a global adventure. Initially, the reception of the potato in Europe was, let's say, less than enthusiastic. Many people were wary of this strange tuber, believing it to be poisonous or even linked to leprosy. Imagine the confusion at dinner parties. However, as time went on, the potato began to win hearts and stomachs. By the 18th century, it was gaining popularity, especially in countries like Ireland and France, where it became a staple food. Key historical events played a significant role in the potato's acceptance. The Irish Potato Famine in the mid-19th century, while tragic, highlighted the potato's importance as a food source. Meanwhile, the French embraced it, thanks in part to the efforts of Antoine-Augustin Parmentier, who championed the potato as a nutritious alternative. Thus, the potato's global journey continued, transforming from a misunderstood vegetable to a beloved staple in kitchens worldwide. Potatoes and famine. While the potato has played a vital role in feeding populations around the world, its cultivation also has a darker side, particularly evident during times of crisis. One of the most devastating events in history was the Irish Potato Famine, which began in the mid-19th century. This catastrophe was triggered by a potato blight that wiped out crops across Ireland, leading to widespread starvation and suffering. With over 1 million people dying and another million forced to emigrate, the famine had a profound impact on Irish society, reshaping its demographics and culture forever. The famine highlighted the dangers of monoculture, the reliance on a single crop for sustenance. In Ireland, the population had become heavily dependent on the potato, which, while nutritious, left them vulnerable to disease and crop failure. This reliance not only led to immediate food shortages, but also long-term economic challenges, as the agricultural system struggled to recover. In response to these crises, several historical figures emerged. One notable figure was Sir Charles Trevelyan, who oversaw famine relief efforts, but faced criticism for his inadequate response. Meanwhile, activists like Daniel O'Connell fought for Irish rights and better living conditions. The Irish potato famine serves as a stark reminder of the complexities of agricultural dependence and the need for diverse food systems to ensure resilience against future crises. Fueling industrial growth. During the Industrial Revolution, the potato emerged as a key player in fueling economic development and supporting rapidly growing urban populations. As cities expanded and factories sprang up, the demand for affordable, nutritious food skyrocketed. Enter the potato, a versatile crop that could be cultivated in various climates and conditions. Its ability to provide substantial calories made it an essential staple for the working class, helping to sustain laborers who toiled long hours in factories. Innovations in agriculture and food processing also played a significant role in maximizing the potato's potential. Advances in farming techniques, such as crop rotation and selective breeding, led to increased yields. Additionally, the development of food preservation methods, like canning and dehydration, allowed potatoes to be stored and transported more efficiently, ensuring that urban centers had a steady supply. The potato's influence extended beyond the dinner plate. It also shaped labor and migration patterns. As people flocked to cities for work, many brought their agricultural knowledge with them, leading to the establishment of potato farms in new regions. This migration not only diversified the workforce, but also contributed to the spread of potato cultivation worldwide. Ultimately, the potato was more than just a food source. It was a catalyst for industrial growth, transforming economies and societies in profound ways. Cultural impact of potatoes. The potato is more than just a versatile vegetable. It has woven itself into the very fabric of cultures around the globe. From the Andes to Europe and beyond, potatoes have become a staple food, adapting to local tastes and traditions. In Ireland, for instance, the potato is celebrated in dishes like colcannon, a comforting mix of mashed potatoes and cabbage, often enjoyed during festive occasions. Meanwhile, in Peru, you'll find a dazzling array of potato varieties featured in dishes like causa, a layered potato salad that showcases the tuber's vibrant colors and flavors. Unique potato dishes often carry deep cultural significance. In Germany, for example, potato dumplings, or Kartoffelknödel, are a beloved comfort food often served during family gatherings. In India, aloo gobi, a delightful mix of potatoes and cauliflower, has become a staple in homes and restaurants alike, showcasing the potato's ability to absorb spices and flavors. And let's not forget the humorous side of potatoes. There are countless myths and anecdotes surrounding this beloved vegetable. One popular tale suggests that if you plant a potato in the ground during a full moon, it will grow into a giant spud overnight. While we know that's not quite how it works, it certainly adds a whimsical touch to the potato's rich cultural narrative. Ultimately, the potato continues to inspire creativity and connection across cuisines, proving that it truly is a global superstar. Modern potato innovations. In today's world, the potato is experiencing a renaissance thanks to contemporary developments in cultivation and consumption. Advancements in agricultural technology have revolutionized how potatoes are grown, making farming more efficient and sustainable. Precision agriculture, for instance, utilizes GPS and data analytics to optimize planting, watering, and harvesting. This means farmers can monitor crop health in real time, reducing waste and increasing yields. Genetically modified varieties are also being developed to enhance disease resistance and improve nutritional content, ensuring that potatoes remain a staple food for generations to come. As our diets evolve, potato-based products have surged in popularity. From gluten-free flours to innovative snacks like kale chips made with potato flour, the versatility of this tuber is being celebrated in modern cuisine. Additionally, the rise of plant-based diets has led to creative uses for potatoes in everything from vegan burgers to dairy-free mashed potatoes, showcasing their adaptability and appeal. Sustainability efforts in potato farming are also gaining traction. Many farmers are adopting practices such as crop rotation and organic farming to reduce environmental impact. Initiatives aimed at minimizing water usage and improving soil health are becoming more common, ensuring that potato cultivation can thrive without compromising the planet. As we look to the future, the potato continues to evolve, proving that this humble vegetable is not just a relic of the past, but a key player in sustainable food systems. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of the potato's remarkable history, it's clear that this humble crop has undergone an incredible journey. From its origins in the Peruvian highlands, where it was first domesticated by indigenous peoples, to its rise as a global staple, the potato has played a pivotal role in shaping societies and cultures around the world. We've seen how it fueled industrial growth, influenced migration patterns, and even sparked culinary creativity across various cuisines. The potato's impact on history is profound, serving as a lifeline during famines and a source of sustenance for growing urban populations. Its versatility has allowed it to adapt to countless dishes, making it a beloved ingredient in kitchens everywhere. As you reflect on the potato's journey, consider how this simple vegetable has connected people and cultures throughout time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of potatoes, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might appreciate the fascinating history behind their favorite foods. Together, let's continue to explore the stories that shape our culinary landscape.